Hello dear students, today our topic is male reproductive parts in a flower, or you can say androecium. Stamen is the male reproductive part in a flower. Stamen, S-T-A-M-E-N. Stamen is the male reproductive part in a flower. Stamen consists from two parts. One is anther and second is filament. Filament is a long slender-like structure. Filament is a long slender-like structure, and anther is a bilobed structure. This is the anther. Here anther, and this is the filament. S-T-A-M-E-N. Stamen. Filament is a long slender-like structure, and anther consists from two lobes. Consists from two lobes, and each lobes connected by connective tissue. Lobe interconnected by the connective tissue, and each lobe has two microsporangia, means two lobes present in an anther. So one anther has 4 microsporangia. So look the TS of, I am making the diagram of TS of young anther. Microsporangia is surrounded by 4-layer structure. Microsporangia is 4-layer structures, and this is the TS of young anther. Each lobe has 2 microsporangia. Okay, outer layer is called the epidermis. Inner layer is called the endothecium, and this is the middle layer, and inner layer is called the tapetum. Tapetum provide the nutrition to the pollen grains, and in center present the sporogenesis. Sporogenous cell. The work of sporogenous cell is create the pollen grain. It create produce the pollen grain. This PMC, pollen mother cell, present here, and it formate the pollen grain. So pollen grain will create here, where in sporogenous cells create the pollen grain. So this is the TS of young anther. Tapetum provide the nutrition to the pollen grain. Okay, and in center connective tissue is present. Connective tissue connect the lobes. So this is the structure of the anther, you can say male reproductive part in flower. I hope you have understood. If you have any query or doubts, you can ask me on my Instagram account, and Instagram account you can see on my description box. और अगर आप मेरे किसी भी वीडियो को देखना चाहते हैं तो मुझे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्लीज़ प्रेस करें, जिससे जब भी मेरा वीडियो आए तो आपको पता लग जाए. थैंक यू.